Welcome to Earthly Organic Naturals, where nature's remedies are at your fingertips. Eczema. Ingredients: 1/4 cup of shea butter, 1/4 cup of coconut oil, 2 tablespoons of jojoba oil, 1 tablespoon of raw honey, 10 drops of lavender oil, and 5 drops of tea tree oil. Instructions: in a double boiler or a glass bowl over simmering water, melt the shea butter and coconut oil together until fully liquefied. Remove from the heat and add the jojoba oil, mixing it thoroughly. Allow the mixture to cool slightly before adding the honey and lavender and tea tree and stirring it well to combine all ingredients evenly. Transfer the mixture to a container and let it solidify to room temperature or in the fridge. So how do we use it? Apply a small amount of the lotion to the affected area of the skin as needed, particularly after bathing, while the skin is still damp, to lock in moisture. You can use this throughout the day to soothe affected skin. The best part: how does it all work? Shea butter contains fatty acids, which provide essential nutrients and vitamins that hydrate the skin, making it softer. It also has anti-inflammatory properties that help to reduce redness and inflammation associated with eczema, while coconut oil contains lauric acid, which is an antimicrobial that helps to protect against bacteria that can infect eczema-prone skin. It also acts as a moisturizer that soothes dry, itchy skin by reinforcing the skin's lipid barrier. Jojoba oil closely mimics sebum, which is the skin's natural oils, to help balance oil production and hydrate without clogging the pores. Jojoba also contains vitamin E and B complex that aid in skin repair and damage control, while honey is a natural humectant that draws moisture into the skin and retains it, which is vital for dry eczema patches. It also acts as an antibacterial to help prevent infection in broken or cracked skin. Lavender oil is a natural anti-inflammatory and analgesic, which reduces inflammation and soothes the pain associated with eczema outbreaks. Last but not least, tea tree is an antimicrobial that helps fight off infections by killing bacteria, fungi, and viruses that can infect damaged skin, as well as reduces swelling and irritation thanks to its anti-inflammatory properties. Join us. Like, share, follow, and subscribe. New content is added often.